One question I've got for Steve is, last time we had major changes in legislation in Texas, once in September of 2017, again in September of 2019. What's next? What can we see next that's going to be lobbied?
Two issues that I hope that we could do in Texas. Number one, I still believe, and I will continue to fight for the regulation of roofing contractors in Texas. I strongly believe, and I agree with the roofing contractor trade groups, that we need to regulate roofing contractors in Texas. That's something we should all rally behind and make happen. Number two, there is some discussion about whether appraisals should be legislated. And that is a growing dialogue because of the issues in the appraisal process. I'm not aware of any legislation that's been drafted or is prepared to be filed. But in the first party area in our space, there is no other legislative issues that are percolating right now.
Any answer to that?
No, I just wanted to know.
If I hear of anything more, I will call and tell you. But there really isn't. And I'll tell you also on appraisal. I mean, I've advocated for a statutory appraisal process for small claims because I agree. I hope homeowners can figure out a way where we can get through appraisals and help them quickly. That would be cool if we could all come together and do that.
Would small appraisals or small claims be defined anywhere?
It would be. Perhaps something, and what I wrote and shared with the Ombudsman's office at the TDI a number of sessions ago, I think it was 2015, was any claim less than $50,000. Yeah. But who knows how it would ultimately end up.